All right, here we are in the garage of the buggy with the top on. So I want you to be able to see all the hazards and lights work. So I'm gonna turn on the keyed ignition so you can see. Alternator light, oil light. The little noise you're hearing right here is the electronic fuel pump. So right back here is the electronic fuel pump with dual fuel filters up front, one in the back for 3 fuel filters. So I want you to see that we're gonna turn on the left turn signal flasher right there. Go to the rear of the car so you can see the left turn signal. I'm gonna turn on the right turn signal so you can see right there. Go to the back of the car, one fluid motion so you can see the right turn signal. Then we're gonna turn on the four-way flashers right there. Come back. Again, one fluid motion, no trickery. You got the 4-way flashers. Okay, so now we got those off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the first light, which is the dash lights to the right. That's going to be the dash lights right there. So you see that? That's the dash lights. The next light is going to be the headlights. Headlights come on right there, as you can see. And then the third light in is going to be the combination of the 2 off-road HID lights and the light bar. So I'm going to turn off the dash lights, far right, turn off the headlights. Now I'm going to turn on the HID lights. So here's the HID lights with the light bar right there. And then this 4th switch right here is for this lighted whip with your flag if you want to go in the sand or the dunes. A lot of places require you to have a flag. So if you're in Oregon, Glamis, California, you know, somewhere I would imagine in the Possum Trails, and I don't know if that's Oregon or North Carolina, South Carolina. So there's a little flag mount if you wanted to have a lighted whip. So you can have your flag, United States flag, or whatever flag you want with LEDs. So just to reiterate, flag mount, HID light bar, headlights, and then your dash lights. All right, so if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to come out and take a look, and then we can put it up here on the lift or that lift over there, and you can see there's no rust underneath.